So I'm going to teach you how to make your Android Studio offline. So just follow my steps. First, you need to go to Android Studio webpage and then download the offline components, the gradle file there. It's just 126 MB, as you can see here. After you downloaded that file, you're just going to locate your downloaded file and then open it. Then you're going to extract your folder to the local disk C, then users and the name of your computer, and then the .android folder, and you need to create a new folder. Rename it as manual-offline-m2, but I already did mine, so I'm not gonna do it. I'm just gonna delete this file right here. Once you created your folder, you need to select that folder and then extract the file. I'm not gonna extract my file because I already extracted it. So you're just gonna locate that folder again in the local disk C, user, and the name of your PC, .android, and then the manual-offline.m2 folder, and open the readme file. This is the instructions given in the Android Studio webpage, but it's complicated for me. You're going to copy this script from the def down to the curly brace and curly bracket, and then you need to go back to users, name of your computer, and then that gradle, and then open that folder, and you need to create a new folder called init.d, but I already did mine, as you can see, so I'm not going to continue this. I'm just gonna delete this one. Once you created your folder, just open it and create a new text file and name it as offline.gradle, but I already did mine, so I'm just gonna open this. In your case, you don't have any script for now, so you're just going to paste what you copied earlier. So it's the same thing for me right here, but I did just copy and replace it. It's the same script, so I'm not gonna save it anymore since I did it. You're just going to save yours anyway. After that, we're going to open your Android Studio and then wait for it to load. Unfortunately for me, I don't know how to make your pre-made project into offline. In my case, I'm just going to make a new project. I'm using Flutter. I'm just going to make a new Flutter project, and I rename this. And as you can see in the bottom right, you're going to see a offline checkbox. So I'm just going to next and finish, wait for it to load. And this window, I'm just going to replace mine and wait for it to properly load up. I'm not using a emulator, by the way, so I'm just gonna connect my phone. As you can see, I just connected it, and I'm just gonna run. As you can see, I don't have any emulator. I'm going to make my phone and run. and then wait for it to load, build, run, and install in my phone. As you can see, I don't have any connections, not connected to any internet, so I'm just gonna wait. It already finished building the project and it's now installing my phone. Now it's opening in my phone. I'm just gonna tap in my phone to see if it's working. As you can see, it is working, it's syncing properly, and yeah, and I don't have any connections.